Hi everyone, it's Nikki from Fine & Country and you join me today for my latest property market update for November 2022. One question on many people's lips is what is happening in the market at the moment. As an industry, we are always a little quieter at this time of year, and with the recent increases in borrowing and living costs, we are just starting to see a bit more of a price sensitive market when compared with this time last year. But it's not all doom and gloom. There is still some positive things happening within the market. There's been a lot of talk around the Bank of England base rate and mortgage rates, but it's important to remember that for the last 13 years, interest rates and inflation have been ultra low by historic standards. So it's become the norm to us. But prior to the global financial crisis, interest rates were 5.75%, and it's likely that we will see 5% mortgage rates being our new normal. And after a turbulent few months, as the economy begins to stabilise and find its new normal, that will hopefully improve the market. We've already seen some mortgage deals available that have actually been better than last month. We've seen an increase in valuation requests from sellers thinking about possibly getting their property ready for next year. There's actually a few reasons that maybe you don't wait until the springtime. This time of year normally means that there's less stock, so there's less for buyers to choose from, and often this can lead to increased prices. Buyers that are out viewing before Christmas are normally more serious, and the online portals like Rightmove have reported that for the past few years, Boxing Day is actually their busiest day for traffic. So if you are possibly considering a move, or you just want to get an up-to-date valuation of your home, or even just register your details for any of our upcoming properties, please do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.